As we come together at this National Sickle Cell Summit, and we will be welcoming ma'am, and welcome to the National Sickle Cell Summit, ma'am. Please join us on stage for the inaugural address.
This event is an attempt to bring the much needed attention to one of India's most widespread and invisible health crisis, which is the sickle cell disease. So this is certainly an issue which deserves all the urgent attention. And the good thing, encouraging thing is that despite being a genetic disorder, sickle cell disease is preventable and it is manageable.
लिविंग विद सिकल सेल इज़ नॉट ईजी। साथ ही मैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी सिकल सेल एलिमिनेशन मिशन लॉन्च करने के लिए। मुझे इतनी हिम्मत मिली कि मैं आज सिकल सेल वॉरियर्स का वॉइस बन के यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हूँ, आप सबके सामने मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हुई हूँ। इसलिए आप सबका धन्यवाद और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि आई रिफ्यूज़ टू बी अ विक्टिम, इंस्टेड आई चोज टू बी अ वॉरियर।
Under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, we launched a very bold and time-bound initiative, National Sickle Cell Anemia Elimination Mission in 2023. And under this mission, we have decided to screen 7 crore individuals in the age group of 0 to 40 years across 17 different states. And I'm happy to say that we started this mission in 2023. We're standing in 2025. Our target was 7 crore people. We've already completed the screening of 5.8 crore people in the country. 2 crore 54 lakh people have been distributed their sickle cell status cards. More than 2 lakh people have been identified with the disease and more than 16 lakh people have been identified to be having the trait. The state of Chhattisgarh has conducted maximum screening in the span of 2 years. Highest number of patients have been found in the state of Odisha. So that is a cause of concern for us. But we are glad that the state governments are working very passionately towards National Sickle Cell Anemia Elimination Mission. Apart from screening, we are making sure that after screening and after the cards are distributed, the patients who are found to be diseased, they get quality care, they are put on treatment, and counseling becomes very important. Not just for patients, but also for their support groups, but also for social organizations. Creating awareness is very important because a large number of people in the country still don't know about the disease, for which we are rigorously training our frontline health workers in the states. For the union government and state government, we are working together to make sure that our ASHAs, ANMs, who are actually given the task of screening, they are rigorously trained and they are able to provide compassionate care in the remotest of areas. And there is mandatory screening which is being carried out at our primary healthcare facilities and the Ayushman Arogya Mandirs today. There are mobile health vans which are specially deployed in the tribal areas so that people have access to screening facilities. So all these efforts are being undertaken because we want to create a sickle cell disease-free India by 2047.
We are very happy that a very good program, probably the world best program on sickle cell is going on in India, thanks to our strong political will of Narendra Modi ji, who has made it possible.
So it is the civil society, it is the doctors, it is the patient advocates, it is media, it is policy makers. Everybody's effort becomes important because it is a collective goal. All that exercise is being carried out. I'm glad today this summit is being hosted and all of us have come together. I would like to acknowledge the contribution, the role that all of you are playing, and especially our sickle cell disease warriors. I also take this opportunity today to sincerely appreciate the effort that has been made by the Hindustan Times Group. You are acting like a force multiplier in this mission. So today is an occasion for us to pledge that no child will suffer in silence because of a sickle cell disease. And I'm convinced when all of us decide to march ahead with science in our mind and compassion in our heart, we will be able to create sickle cell anemia free India by 2047. And with this, I congratulate Hindustan Times Group once again, and I thank you all for your patience. Jai Hind.
The kind of treatment which we are actually coming is focused towards that how we can reduce the burden, how we can really bring down the pain points at least the end of organ damage, right? And how we can really work with the fraternity in terms of bringing down the overall mortality which happens because of the sickle cell.